Decor Designs, where we delve into the art of creating refined living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been looking at your backyard and thinking it's time for a major upgrade, you are in the right place. Today we are diving deep into one of the hottest trends in home improvement: modern lawn landscaping. We're going to discuss what it actually means, why you need it, and how you can achieve a high-end, professional look on your own property. Plus, stay tuned as we count down our top 10 best modern lawn landscaping ideas featuring some incredible visual inspiration. Modern lawn landscaping is an approach to outdoor design that emphasizes minimalism, clean lines, and a structured, geometric aesthetic. Unlike traditional gardens that might feel overgrown or chaotic, a modern lawn is treated as an extension of the home's architecture. It focuses on the balance between softscape, the living elements like grass and trees, and hardscape, which includes stone pavers, wooden decks, and concrete structures. The goal is to create a sleek, organized, and sophisticated environment where every plant and stone serves a specific purpose, often reflecting a contemporary or industrial style. The benefits of adopting a modern landscaping style go far beyond just looking good. First and foremost, modern designs are often much lower maintenance than traditional ones. By utilizing slow-growing plants, artificial turf, and strategic hardscaping, you spend less time mowing and weeding and more time actually enjoying your space. Furthermore, a well-executed modern lawn significantly boosts your property value and curb appeal, making your home stand out in the real estate market. From a lifestyle perspective, these organized spaces act as a private sanctuary, reducing mental clutter and providing a functional area for exercise, meditation, or hosting guests. To make your modern lawn look truly professional, you need to focus on consistency and contrast. Start by choosing a neutral color palette. Think grays, blacks, whites, and natural wood tones, to allow the vibrant green of your lawn to pop. Use repetition in your plant choices. Instead of dozens of different flower types, plant rows of the same ornamental grass or boxwoods to create a rhythm in the yard. Lighting is also crucial. Use recessed LED lights along pathways or spotlights under trees to create drama and depth after the sun goes down. Lastly, remember that less is more. Avoid cluttering the space with too many small ornaments and instead choose one or two large, bold statement pieces. Choosing the right items can make or break the contemporary feel of your yard. Geometric pavers made of slate or concrete are essential for creating those signature clean paths. For seating, look for modular outdoor sofas with weather-resistant fabrics in solid, neutral colors. Fire pits, especially sleek, bowl-shaped or rectangular ones, serve as a fantastic focal point and gather spot. To add the element of sound and movement, consider a minimalist water feature like a sheer descent waterfall or a simple stone fountain. Finally, don't forget high-quality large-scale planters and materials like weathered steel or polished concrete to add height and structure to your greenery. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best modern lawn landscaping ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the illuminated timber sanctuary. This design showcases the power of evening ambience. By combining a rich, warm wooden horizontal slat fence with perfectly manicured artificial turf and stone pavers, the yard feels like a private room. The strategically placed ground lighting casts a soft glow against the bamboo and timber, creating a sophisticated transition between the house and the garden. 2. The slate waterfall oasis. In this expansive design, a stunning slate-tiled water feature acts as the primary focal point. The contrast between the deep gray stone and the bright white retaining walls creates a crisp, clean look. Large format dark tiles surround a central rectangular lawn, proving that modern design thrives on sharp angles and a monochromatic palette. 3. Aerial geometric precision. Looking from above, this garden is a masterpiece of symmetry. The design uses water channels to frame perfectly square lawn sections, intersected by floating stone steps. This resort-style layout uses lush green trees and manicured hedges to soften the hard architectural lines, resulting in a tranquil, balanced environment. For the ultimate entertaining zone, this layout is perfect for the social homeowner. It features a seamless blend of a sunken lawn, an outdoor kitchen area with bar seating, and a comfortable lounge section. A multi-tiered waterfall wall adds a luxury touch, while the gray stone and pebble borders keep the look cohesive and ultramodern. 5. The artistic paver mosaic. If you want something unique, this design uses varying sizes of rectangular cream-colored pavers set directly into the lawn. This creates a functional pathway that doubles as a piece of ground art. The addition of a large, minimalist stone fountain provides a sense of grandeur and calm to the front or backyard. 6. The monochromatic terrace. This high-angle view reveals a tiered garden utilizing dark gray tiles and black fencing for a bold, industrial vibe. A large black pergola provides a shaded lounging area, while raised white garden beds filled with volcanic rock and hardy shrubs offer a maintenance-free way to incorporate nature. 7. The small space modern retreat. Even a compact yard can feel luxurious with the right design. This idea uses white-rendered retaining walls that double as planters, topped with a cantilevered wooden bench. The use of artificial turf ensures the small space stays green and vibrant year-round without the need for a lawnmower. 8. The sunken lounge and pergola. This design creates a sense of destination within your own yard. A sunken seating area protected by a black louvered pergola offers intimacy and protection from the elements. Surrounded by a lush lawn and stepping stones, this setup is the pinnacle of modern outdoor luxury living. 9. Minimalist estate elegance. For larger properties, a sweeping green lawn serves as a canvas for architectural highlights. This design features a massive sculptural tree as a natural centerpiece, complemented by a wide, white-tiled path that leads directly into a glass-walled modern villa, blurring the lines between indoors and out. 10. Cozy fire pit and timber walls. This design focuses on texture and warmth. A horizontal timber fence provides a rich backdrop for a central white fire bowl. The combination of a wooden deck, white pebble borders, and a hanging egg chair creates a cozy yet strictly modern corner that is perfect for relaxing on a cool evening. Designing a modern lawn is all about creating a space that feels intentional, clean, and peaceful. Whether you have a massive estate or a tiny suburban backyard, the principles of geometry, contrast, and minimalism can transform your home into a contemporary masterpiece. We hope these 10 ideas sparked some inspiration for your next outdoor project. Remember, the best landscape is one that reflects your personality while enhancing the natural beauty of your home. If you enjoyed this tour of modern lawn landscaping, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of our top 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to beautify your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.